What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Hello Stocktonians, today I wanted to make a quick video to update you all on some new exciting CCIV news. A lot has happened recently with this SPAC, which has increased investor confidence and as a result has caused the share price to spike up massively up to $40. Now, CCIV is rumored to take Lucid Motors public. Lucid is like Tesla's unborn little brother, or at least that's how it's being perceived by the general public. So naturally, the hype around the SPAC merger is huge. So let's get into some of these developments that have occurred recently. The first one, and perhaps the one that's had the biggest impact so far, is an update made to the Bloomberg terminal. This screenshot is directly from that Bloomberg terminal. A consortium led by Venrock Associates proposed to sell Lucid Motors Inc. to Churchill Capital Corp 4, or CCIV. The transaction was proposed on the 1st of the 11th, 2021. Financial terms of the transaction are unknown. Another update made to this terminal was that the proposed is now on the block, which means that it's no longer a negotiation and it's close to being signed. So the fact that Lucid and CCIV have released this information is a sign that they're now comfortable with letting people know about this merger, which could mean that we could get an official announcement early next week. Another interesting bit of news is that recently a YouTuber talked to a hedge fund manager. Go ahead and check this video out, but basically this manager is so confident about the merger actually going through that CCIV is their largest position. He also goes on to say later that he believes that CCIV will hit $100, which is huge. The next thing that I want to show you guys is this article from CNBC. CNBC got a first look inside Lucid Motors' new EV factory in Casa Grande, Arizona, where it will build its luxury electric sedan, the Air. The Arizona operations are split between two facilities, AMP1, which houses vehicle production, and the powertrain factory, where the motor battery pack, inverter, and drive units are assembled. CEO Peter Rawlinson told CNBC that it will be able to produce a car every 10 minutes when it's fully operational. Lucid is already preparing for phase 2 of its build-out, which will increase production capacity from 34,000 to 90,000 vehicles a year. Now, I'm not too sure if they'll be able to do this right off the gate, because in comparison, NIO has been doing this for a while and they only produce 43,000 vehicles a year. So I'm guessing it'll take Lucid some time before they can ramp up to 90,000 vehicles a year. But hey, if they're able to do that right off the gate, that'll be extremely impressive. So as some of you know, I do have a position in CCIV, but my average is pretty good. And as a consequence of that, I like my risk to reward ratio. However, if you're not currently invested in this company, then whether you should invest now or not all comes down to your own risk tolerance. It's going to be a lot more risky for you to be getting into this SPAC at $40 as opposed to if you got in when it was in the early 10s or even early 20s. Right guys, that's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and do leave a comment below to share your thoughts on this merger. Do you think it's going to happen, or are you still unsure about it? Have an awesome day and I'll see you in the next one.